Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels for today's price action. And when we look at the economical events plan for today is Wednesday, September 14th. We have high impacting news planned at 11:30 AM for British pound related currency pairs and high impacting news for US dollar related currency pairs at 6 PM and also medium impacting news at the same time. So requesting you to consider these events also while planning for your trade entry and exits. When we look at the price action in dollar index, I am in 4 hours time frame now. I am drawing a trend line or a support line. We had noticed a price action to trend on the bullish trend, taking support on the trend line or the support line. The price got rejected at the resistance level of 110. Then we have noticed a price to bounce back on the bearish side. And presently it has taken support on the previous support level of 107. And currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. So the overall price action in dollar index in 4 hours time frame was in a sideways price action, taking support on the previous support level and bouncing back from the previous resistance levels. It has not made new highs or it has not made new lows. Let us begin our gold analysis. I am in daily time frame now, and when we look at the price action in daily time frame, we know that the current price action is trading within a bearish channel pattern on a bearish trend. Previously the price action took support on the support zone between 1690 to 1680, then it bounced back on the bullish side retracement, but it couldn't break the previous resistance level of 1735, and we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. And we can also notice the price action has taken support on the green color trend line or the support line. In the past also we have noticed this line to act as a very strong support line, and current price action has also taken support on the same line. So from the current price action we can understand that this resistance level of 1735 is acting as a very strong resistance for the current price action in daily time frame. Only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect a further continuation of the bullish trend in daily time frame. And we are noticing the price action to repeat the similar pattern which it had happened in the past. So we can expect the consolidation to continue unless the price action breaks a higher time frame resistance level of 1735. And also we know that this area between 1690 to 1680 is going to be acting as a very strong support, and only when the price action breaks this support level we can expect a further continuation of the bearish trend in daily time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance levels and support levels for the current price action in daily time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to take support on this trend line or the support line, and if the price action want to trend on the bearish side, it has to first break the support level of 1696 in order to continue trending on the bearish side retracement, and next level of support on the bearish side is going to be around 1690. And if the price action continues its bullish side retracement, next level of resistance is going to be around 1717 from the past price action resistance level. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the past price action, it was in a very nice downtrend and it had taken support on the support level of 1690, and it has bounced back on the bullish side retracement. And from the resistance level of 1735, we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. Currently the price action has taken support on the bearish channel pattern support line from the daily time frame, and as long as the price action is trading above this support line, we can expect the price action to continue its bullish side retracement. And when we look at the overall trend of the price action, I am drawing a bullish channel pattern, and the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, which shows that it is still in a very nice bullish trend in 4 hours time frame. But it has to break the higher time frame resistance level of 1735 in order to continue further on the bullish side trend, and wait for the price action to break this trend line or support line in order to take trades on the bearish side. So the overall price action in 4 hours time frame is still in a bullish trend, trading within this bullish channel pattern. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action, previously we have noticed the price action to trend on the bullish side. Due to yesterday's high volatile news, we have noticed the price action to break this support line and to take support on the daily time frame bearish channel pattern support line. So wait for the price action to break this bullish channel pattern support line from the 4 hours time frame in order to take trades on the bearish side, or wait for the price action to break the previous high, which is going to be around 1709 or 1710 in order to continue trading on the bullish side retracement. Currently the price action is under consolidation within this range, and once the price action breaks this support line, it will be the continuation of the bearish trend in hourly time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1707 and support level of 1700. Wait for the directional breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side in order to take a directional trade. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, we have noticed the price action to fall on the bearish side retracement due to the impact of the news. Currently the price action has taken support on the bearish channel pattern support line from the daily time frame. I would recommend you to draw trend lines like this in order to understand the current trend of the price action, and wait for the price action to break these resistance lines in order to take trades on the retracement on the bullish side. And if the price action breaks the support line from the bullish channel pattern of the 4 hours time frame, next level of support is going to be around 1696, and if the price action breaks the support level, we can expect a downside momentum to start, and next level of support from the daily time frame is going to be around 1690. Currently the price action in 30 minutes time frame is also under a consolidation. Wait for a directional breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side in order to take a directional trade in 30 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, and share this video with your friends.